Okay, so this is Rani with you, and we're taking a picture in portrait on a video in portrait mode for the Ronchi eyepiece after I have collimated my Newtonian telescope. My telescope is a Celestron Astromaster 130 EQ, and we can see the gratings of the Ronchi eyepiece. Okay, I will show you the eyepiece. This is my shadow in the view. This is my hand. Okay, so as we see, this is the gratings. Okay, now it's something between two types, but I think my telescope, because it's spherical mirror, a primary mirror, so that's why I see still some waving, not complete straight lines. Okay, because what's required for perfect optics is or are perfect straight lines. Okay, but you know, my telescope has a spherical mirror, spherical primary mirror. So I'm moving the focuser so we can't see the changes, and I'm focusing it back. So the Ronchi eyepiece is meant only for knowing whether your telescope is well focused, collimated, although you have just collimated it, but still the Ronchi can tell you more. And to use it, you have to point it at some far lamp in your district or somewhere in your area. Okay, you can use a bright star also. They say a medium bright. Doesn't matter. To me, it's working with a bright lamp somewhere in the region, my area, in my neighborhood. Okay, I can still use that. Using after buying an artificial star, actually those artificial stars. Maybe I did not know how exactly to use them, because I think the far lamps in the neighborhood are better, because your telescope will be like I mean the artificial star is a small lamp, of course, but you will have to put it a small LED light, but you have to put it somewhere far. I don't know if you can get that somewhere far. So I think the lamps of your neighborhood is better. Okay, and I'm going to also show you the lamp that I'm taking pictures of. Um, after I show you the shape of the Ronchi eyepiece, and so just to know what I'm talking about. So I'm still trying to yeah. So shit, move the scope. Okay. So I got the two papers. Okay, let's talk about the Ronchi. Okay, I'm going to remove the Ronchi eyepiece now. I'm going to show you also the kind of a paper that I have with me that tells me whether my telescope is well collimated. Okay. Yeah, so uh, I was just reading the paper. Okay. So we get the other. Okay, so I'm saying let me get the other camera tripod, so I can show you the Ronchi Eyepiece and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So now I'm removing the phone. Just I want to attach the phone to the mount, to the bracket. So yeah, this is how I was taking pictures. Okay, and this is the Ronchi Eyepiece. Let me make it a little bit less zoomed. Okay, so this is the Ronchi Eyepiece. Okay, I was putting it on. There is the phone was locked. Hanging using this XYZ rig or device or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I put the phone over here. There's this clip. Okay, and this is how I was taking pictures, and I also have to match the gratings or those lines, okay, that we saw, those parallel lines, almost parallel lines with this. So this is the perfect optical situation, okay, and I think mine was something like this or like this. Thank God I don't have the rest, okay, because all of them are problems with your collimation, and it could be something from your telescope, maybe wrongly made. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and as I said, okay, I wanted to show you also the lamp that I was taking pictures of. So I need to remove this. Now, it's hard for you to attach something like this to the Ronchi, so I'm going to also show you how I attached it. I got a T-ring, this is a T-ring, and this T-ring is meant to be for a parallel lens. It should be here. I'm using it somewhere else, but this, because the Ronchi doesn't have such a strong, it's just a thick spacing, much like this one where I can hang the clip, okay, the telephone clip over here, okay. So that's why also you don't, because the bar will change the view of the gratings. So I removed it and I use this as a way to hang it, okay. And of course, don't worry, you can still focus it, okay, and see everything else, okay. So we're going to attach the eyepiece now, and we're going to go back and find any lamp of that area, okay. found the lamp, and yeah, the awesome. Okay. So what you gotta do is just attach the XYZ. This is a 15 millimeters eyepiece, 500 series, flossed. Okay, and here we're going to attach it again to the eyepiece. Let me find the base of the eyepiece first. So yeah, this is the lamp. This is it, and voila. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm using something like this lamp. That's what I'm trying to show you. That's something like this lamp at surface. Okay, to test your eyepiece, and it's really a far one in the neighborhood. Okay, I can show you the neighborhood from our area. So you can see here, see those faraway lamps in the neighborhood. Okay, so those, I'm zooming out now. So this is my neighborhood almost at night. So this is the best way you can test your IP Ronchi, and use your Ronchi and test your telescope also for collimation. Okay, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, it was so hard for me just to find a way to attach the phone to the Ronchi. Okay, maybe the, yes, the tearing helped me a lot. Thanks a lot. Bye.